Valutrades, Forex, CFDs, and commodities.
This is Malte Kaub for Valutrades, and I want to have a quick video on cryptocurrencies. And we've been in for a wild ride with cryptocurrencies recently, right? So we've seen the increase of Bitcoin touching the 20,000 US dollar mark, and now we've collapsed again, well below the 10,000 US dollar mark. So what has happened? I think what we discussed already last year was a bit of a craziness, a bit like what we've seen back in the days in the Netherlands with tulips. You know, everybody wanted to suddenly have some Bitcoin. It was because it was the next big thing, and some governments started talking about accepting that on a larger scale. But then the counter movement set in, and then combine that with some jittery capital markets in general, and suddenly the movement was quite violent in the other direction, because it still is not the recognized and established payment method that it wants to be. That said, I think it still has a lot of scope to bounce back again, not necessarily as Bitcoin, but can also happen in one of its other coins that are available to trade, like Litecoin, Ethereum, Ripple. A lot of them are out there, and also Valutrades has quite a lot of them in their portfolio, so check that out. We're also making a big push there with some blog posts and a webinar just on cryptocurrencies. So make sure you tune in to learn the latest about how to trade these kind of instruments and what they are, and how you should address that with your trading strategy. Just as a simple point that you should probably take away already from this video, you have quite big volatility in cryptocurrencies, which is fantastic, right? Because then you can benefit from this kind of volatility. That's what we want. But also that means you need to be very careful when you calculate your margin. You need to increase your stops, and typically also reduce your position size to factor in that increased volatility. I can only recommend that you go to the Valutrades website and check out the latest blog posts on that topic, and tune in for the upcoming webinar. It will be an exciting webinar to watch. Thank you very much, and all the best for your trading.